Sometimes you should not be trading. You do not have what it takes to make a trade. You should not risk your hard-earned money. Let me explain when that time is. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. I'm kind of losing my mind right now because I don't know if you can see. Can we show the second camera angle? I have a hunchback just from sitting on the laptop. My hunchback is even worse because I just really screwed up my back. Getting my luggage down from the overhead compartment, just flew from Tokyo to Hawaii for the Save the Reef premiere. I was rushing because you might not know this, but if you click this link just below this video, I'll link you the Save the Reef film that we did. But 2 days before the big premiere, roughly $500,000 of my money poured into this project, trying to, get the word out. So it's my own personal money, okay? This is not the charity's money. Don't get confused. They're two separate things. The charity money gets donated to charity. I spend my own personal money putting on these productions and premieres. So I have roughly $500,000 tied up in this premiere. 2 days before the premiere, I'm rushing to go meet with my filmmakers. It's not fully edited. It's kind of a mess because we went to too many countries. We got too much footage. We have too many people in it, and I did not give them enough time to complete it. So everyone is kind of freaking out. Nobody more than me. And so I hurt my back because I was rushing and I was half asleep and, anyways, long story short, click the link below. You'll see the documentary. Everything turned out fantastic. Justin Kalani, Amir Zachary came through with flying colors with very little sleep. I had very little sleep and my back got crunched from the bag coming down. And I don't know what I did, but I felt the pain immediately and I screamed out an obscenity, and I was on this plane with all these little Japanese people who were very polite, and I'm just yelling and swearing, and they must have thought I was Godzilla. So right now, as I'm filming this, I am on pain meds because my back is killing me, so I'm even more hunched over than normal. This is an example of when not to trade. Today we're filming this on a Saturday, so the stock market isn't open, fortunately, but at the same time, if it were open, I would need to have the mental fortitude to not trade because I'm not completely there, okay? I don't know if you can see it in my eyes, in my hunch, in my gestures, in my speech. I am not fully there. And when you have a trading account, with a trading account comes great responsibility, okay? You're basically like your neighborhood Spider-Man, and you have to be very careful because it's very easy to risk a lot of money. It's just a few finger taps, right? Look at me, I'm betting thousands of dollars. Look at me, I'm betting tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. You have to recognize when you're not there. I don't know if you have film premieres and you have, a scrunched back with back spasms and you're on pain meds and, I don't know what happens in your life, but I think that we all go through tough times somehow. I just have crazy stories. Some people, like maybe you have a business meeting, maybe you have to pick your kids up at school, maybe you're not feeling well and you're on some kind of medication. Be very aware. Remember this video lesson whenever you're not feeling 100% or even 90% or 80% or 60% or 30%. I'm like 15% there right now. I recognize that, and I told Pascal, say hi, Pascal.
Hey, guys.
I told him, I was like, yo, let's film this. And he's like, you sure? Like, you're looking kind of like weird and cracked out. But I was like, yo, yeah, let's film this. This is a good example. This is real life coming at you. I've just been filming video lessons. My back was hurting. Literally, I just took a painkiller, and now I'm like all loopy. So this video should serve as a warning whenever you feel like this, or if you know somebody who's feeling under the weather or they're too busy, send them this video and be like, don't trade. Don't risk your hard-earned money when you're like this. There's always going to be another trade. There's always going to be another opportunity. Sometimes you're just not going to be there for whatever reason, mentally, physically. Maybe you can't even be at a laptop or a computer. This has happened to me before sometimes, where I see a potential trade and I want to hold the stock overnight, but I'm not going to be available at the market open the next day. Some people would make a trade anyways, and they'd be like, I like this setup. Whenever I get to my computer, I'll get there, but I'm gonna risk it. And it's like a blind trade. And I've done some blind trades before, but that's for gamblers, okay? I would rather you don't make the trade, and I would rather you miss out on any potential profits, but also protect yourself from potential losses. Always think about what could go wrong. Always think about kind of like your blind side, which most people don't want to think about. It's not fun, it's not exciting, but you have to. Remember, 90% of traders lose, and a lot of it is just due to lack of being meticulous. And we're all human, we make mistakes, we have stuff get in the way, so recognize that. Really recognize it. I think I've even done this video lesson before. We're going to do it again because this is such an important video lesson, and now you can fully understand how bad it is to trade when you have a mindset like this. Anyways, leave a comment below if you've ever felt like shit before. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.